When it comes to upgrading your bathroom, installing a walk-in shower or tub can be one of the most rewarding decisions you make. Not only do they provide a safer and more comfortable bathing experience, but they can also add value to your home and enhance its overall appeal. While DIY projects can be tempting, hiring professional Foley walk-in showers and tub installers ensures that the job is done right, on time, and with the highest quality of craftsmanship. In this article, we'll explore the top benefits of hiring professionals for your walk-in shower or tub installation in Foley. Expertise and experience. One of the most significant benefits of hiring professional installers is their expertise and experience in the field. Bathroom installations require precise measurements, specialized tools, and a deep understanding of plumbing and safety regulations. Professional installers have years of experience working with walk-in showers and tubs, allowing them to deliver high-quality results. Experienced installers can assess your bathroom layout, determine the best design for your space, and troubleshoot any potential issues that may arise during installation. They're familiar with the various types of walk-in tubs and showers, and can guide you toward the best option that meets your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're replacing an old tub or shower, or remodeling your entire bathroom, professionals ensure that the installation is completed correctly and efficiently. Time-saving. A walk-in shower or tub installation is a complex process that involves plumbing, tiling, waterproofing, and various other tasks. Attempting to handle the installation yourself can take much longer than you expect, especially if you lack the necessary tools and experience. For homeowners in Foley who are busy with work and other responsibilities, a professional installer can save you valuable time. Professionals have the right tools, equipment, and knowledge to complete the installation quickly and efficiently. What may take you days or even weeks to complete, professionals can often finish in a matter of hours or days, allowing you to enjoy your new walk-in shower or tub sooner. With their streamlined process and ability to handle unexpected challenges, professional installers ensure that the job is done within a reasonable time frame. Proper installation and safety. Walk-in tubs and showers are designed with safety and ease of use in mind, especially for seniors or individuals with mobility issues. However, their full benefits can only be realized with a proper installation. Improper installation can lead to leaks, drainage issues, or faulty safety features that could compromise the tub or shower's effectiveness. By hiring professional Foley walk-in shower and tub installers, you ensure that all components are installed correctly. From ensuring proper drainage to making sure the grab bars and seating are securely fixed, professionals follow safety protocols and installation guidelines that meet the highest industry standards. This attention to detail helps prevent potential accidents and ensures that your new walk-in shower or tub is both safe and functional. Customization option. One of the main reasons homeowners choose walk-in showers and tubs is for the customization options they offer. Whether you want a luxurious spa-like experience with massaging jets, built-in seating, or enhanced water filtration, professional installers can work with you to create the perfect setup for your needs. Professional installers can advise you on the various options available and help you select the best features for your walk-in shower or tub. They can also customize the installation to suit your bathroom's layout, ensuring that everything fits perfectly and functions as intended. This level of customization would be difficult to achieve with a DIY installation, where the risk of poor fitting or improper placement could diminish the quality of your investment. Quality materials and products. Another advantage of hiring professional installers is access to high-quality materials and products that may not be available through local home improvement stores. Professionals work closely with trusted suppliers and manufacturers to ensure they provide only the best materials, such as durable shower tiles, slip-resistant flooring, or high-end faucets and fixtures. When you work with a professional, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your walk-in shower or tub will be built to last. They can also recommend maintenance-free or low-maintenance materials that make upkeep easier and prolong the life of your new installation. Quality materials not only improve the aesthetics of your bathroom but also contribute to the long-term durability and efficiency of your walk-in shower or tub. Warranty and after-sales support. When you hire professional installers for your walk-in shower or tub installation in Foley, you typically receive a warranty for both the labor and the materials. This added protection ensures that if anything goes wrong during or after the installation, the issue will be resolved without additional cost to you. In addition to the warranty, professional installers also offer after-sales support. If you experience any issues with your walk-in tub or shower, or if you have questions about its maintenance, a reputable installation company will be there to assist you. This level of customer service provides peace of mind and ensures that your investment continues to provide value for years to come. Increased home value. Lastly, installing a walk-in shower or tub is a great way to increase the value of your home, especially for homeowners in Foley who may be looking to sell in the future. A professionally installed walk-in shower or tub adds a modern, luxurious touch to your bathroom and makes it more accessible to a wider range of potential buyers, including seniors and people with mobility challenges. Homes with updated, accessible bathrooms tend to sell faster and for higher prices. Professional installation ensures that your new walk-in shower or tub is both aesthetically appealing and functional, making your home more attractive to buyers. Conclusion. Hiring professional Foley walk-in shower and tub installers offers a wide range of benefits, including expertise, time savings, proper installation, and access to high-quality materials. Whether you're upgrading for safety, comfort, or aesthetics, a professional installation ensures that your new walk-in shower or tub meets your expectations and provides long-lasting benefits. If you want to ensure the job is done right, save time, and maximize your investment, hiring a professional is the best decision you can make for your home.